So this one says the sum of two trinomials is 7x squared minus 5x plus 4. If one of the trinomials is 3x squared plus 2x minus 1, then what's the other trinomial? So there's a couple ways you could do this, I suppose. One way is I know that the sum, whoops, let me put this in. One is to know that the sum 7x squared plus minus 5x plus 4 is the sum of this term and this term and this term. So now what I got to think is, what did I add to 3x squared to get 7x? 4x squared, right? What did I add to 2x to get negative 5x? Negative 7x. What did I add to negative 1 to get 4? Okay, now that's one way to look at it. The other way to look at it is just simply say 7x squared minus 5x plus 4 minus 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. That's another way to do it. And then what you got to remember is that we're going to have to distribute this negative 1 through the parentheses. So negative 1 times 3x squared is negative 3x squared. Negative 1 times 2x is negative 2x. And then negative 1 times negative 1 is a positive 1. All this stuff stays the same. Okay? And then you just combine like terms. So 7x squared minus 3x, what's that equal? 4x squared. Next, we're going to do negative 5x, negative 2x, that's negative 7x. Then lastly, we're going to add up 4 and 1 plus 5. I think the textbook wanted you to do it the second way, right? But notice that these are the same answer. So there's two ways to get the answer for that, okay? Does that make sense? Any questions on that one?